Hey, Matt, I got a quick question for you if you got a second.
Yeah.
I'm hoping maybe you could talk through a little bit and help me understand how we could use Reveille to understand overall health of an on-base system.
Hey, Mike, that's a great question. I can definitely show that for you. Let me share my screen for you.
Awesome, thank you.
Reveille is a monitoring and analytics tool that ensures your on-base environment operates at peak performance. In the next few slides, I will give you an idea of what Reveille can do. Let us look at the Reveille dashboards, your command center for monitoring the performance of your on-base system. This intuitive and user-friendly interface provides real-time insights and comprehensive monitoring capabilities. This slide shows an example of a system and all the monitors set up to keep an eye on the various servers and metrics. Everything in green is okay. The yellow and orange need a little review to see what might be going on. You can have a dashboard that shows CPU or memory utilization, as well as other server metrics you want to track and monitor. With this information, you can spot issues that you might not see checking on your servers occasionally. Here, you can see that we are looking at the memory utilization of a server in this environment. Everything here looks to be in line with what I expect. Reveille has many pre-built metrics to capture and monitor. You can pick what works for your organization to make sure that you are seeing and capturing relevant information to your organization. As you can see from this image, there are many things to choose from. You can track, monitor, report on, or notify against these metrics based on your needs, whether it is from tracking available disk space, the number of documents in your disk groups, or how big they are, to keeping an eye on your services that process data into OnBase. Reveille has the ability to take action on issues too. Through proactive actions, Reveille can perform operations based on various situations. Reveille can monitor log files, event logs, services, and more. Based on how you want to manage a situation, Reveille could do the work for you. For example, you could have a Windows service that went down. Reveille could notify you or try to restart the service for you. Proactivity is key when it comes to maintaining an optimal system performance. Reveille's real-time alerts and notifications keep you informed about critical events. With Reveille, you can easily configure alerts based on specific conditions, whether it is a sudden increase in error rates or a significant drop in performance, or even a system outage. Reveille will notify you via email, SMS, or other channels of your choice. It's like having your own personal assistant that never lets you miss important system updates. With Reveille User Analytics, you can dig deeper. You can track and capture packets on your network to see performance, identify issues, or see how the user experience is. Reveille's transaction monitoring feature dives even deeper into the performance of your on-base system. It allows you to monitor specific transactions and processes to ensure smooth operations. We can see here that we are monitoring the transactions between SQL and the on-base system. Everything looks good from here. Reveille offers a range of pre-built reports as well as customizable options. These reports provide deep insights into performance trends, system utilization, and user behavior. It's like having a comprehensive report card for your on-base system's performance. Here we can see that Reveille is trying to log in, search for a document, retrieve a document, and log out. Reveille can help in many ways, and I've just scratched the surface. I hope this helps answer how Reveille can monitor the performance of your on-base system.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have a question that you would like answered on an upcoming Question Corner, please leave a comment below.